everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day and staying safe. I have a Samorga unboxing, so if you're interested in Samorga, they're the best organizers, I feel, for any purse, high-end, low-end, middle-of-the-road end, whatever kind of purse you have, and you want to keep it nice and clean, basically, and you want to organize your stuff, and just like if you don't have any organization in your purse, or even if you do, I feel that they are still worth it. So it came in a box like this from Korea, and it only took about less than a month, so it is coming fairly quick. They used to take, like, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 months, but still is worth it because they make like excellent products. So if you're new to my channel, welcome in, like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. If you have any Samorgas, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know what kind you have and what colors. They're coming out with some new colors, so definitely check it out. And some of the higher end YouTubers do have discount codes that you can use, and so you save on the tax. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what I got, yeah? And the bag that I'm rocking today is my Mix Boutique Star bag. This is my fishing bag. And we just got back from Loon Bay. We had an excellent time, spent about 4 days there. And if you're interested, check out my Loon Bay vlog. Make sure you hit the bell. All right. Ted just got his birthday present, so he's loving it. I have to just make a little bit of adjustment to it, but it's really nice. I'm glad that he likes it. He's kind of hard to buy for, so that's great that he loves it. All right, so we're in. All right, let's see here. All right, so we have the World's Best Organizer Samorga since 2010. So they have a new logo, which is kind of cool. That's what it looks like. It comes in a bag like this. If you've never got a Samorga, this is the new packaging. It's been out for a while, but if you've never seen it, then it would be like new to you. But they used to come in just like, I think it was kind of like tissue paper, and then they had like a sticker. So this is actually better in a way, because it comes in like plastic, and the logo is pretty cool too. I haven't seen, that's the first time I've seen that. So all right, so let's go ahead and see what I got here. All right, so this is, what is this? Look on my paper here. All right. Okay, I think this one is for my Fendi spy bag. And it comes with the little holder here. So instead of putting like a water bottle in there, you could put like your 6-key holder. You could put tissue. You can put a lot of stuff in there. Your AirPod, and it comes with that. And then this is the bright orange. This is one of the newer colors. So you get 2 on this side. 1, 2. Kind of, yeah, you can kind of see it that way. 2 here. and then you get a side piece, and I usually use this for lipstick, lip balm, bunch of stuff. All right, so that's the first one. Second one, I got this. This was a sale item, and I got this. This is in Dune. Dune is a pretty cool color. It goes with like a lot of different things, and it's got the same holder here. It's got one here, and it's got one on the other side here. And I got this for my Petite No Way. So I figure in the one that I have in monogram. So this color is going to go really good. And this one is Mango. This is one of their new colors. And this is pretty cool. This has two on that side, two on this side, and then one big one here. All right. And then it's got the gold hooks here. And I figured instead of using my other one that is kind of like a purpley color, I didn't really think it went that well. So I ordered this for my Toiletry 26. And I figured this is going to be a better color. And then I'm going to use my Felici chain. This goes so much better with the monogram than the purple, and I'll use the purple in my Coach Sleeping Beauty Fairy Tale pouch, and because that's like black, purple, like really dark color, so it looks better. This is going to be like perfect for my Toiletry 26. And the colors are just really pretty. Yeah, I like this mango too. It's pretty cool. And this bright orange is really pretty. And the Dune is kind of like a beigey color. But they're just so practical. I mean, they're like perfect for any handbag. It doesn't have to be a designer handbag. But I mean, if you're spending that kind of money on a bag, even if you buy them vintage pre-loved, you still want to keep them nice. You don't want to have them all dirty. Then you got to send them out to be cleaned, and that's another, you know, $250, $300. So that isn't inexpensive either. And just because they clean them, that doesn't mean that they get everything. You know what I'm saying? So this is just another alternative, and I think it's one of the smarter alternatives. And these fit like perfect in the bag that you pick. There's no overhang, there's no under. So they fit right in perfectly. They don't do weight to your bag, nothing like that. So anyways, that's my Samorga haul for today. I hope everybody's having a great day. If you have any comments, leave them below. Suggestions are always appreciated. And if you want to see anything from my collection, my different collections, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to share that with you. All right, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching.